In today's video, I'm going to bring y'all along and I'm going to show y'all how we can take a can of spray paint and we can take some ordinary items that we may already have in our Christmas decor from last year or years past, and we can take a can of spray paint and very easily upcycle these pieces and make them beautiful decor for the Christmas season for 2024. So y'all are going to be amazed at some of the items you may not even think about of how we can get some simple spray paint that is less than $5 and we can really make some beautiful decor. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show y'all is how you can make some beautiful gold nutcrackers. Those were $80 a pair. I had some left over from last year that I got at a thrift store, and I think I paid $6 each for them. Last year, I painted them all white, but look what we're going to do. This brand of spray paint right here is sold at Dollar General, and it is less than $5. You get the same effect pretty much with the Dollar General spray paint or the Rust-Oleum, but don't let that shiny can top fool you. And I think that's what scared me the most when I was in the store looking at it, was it had a shiny lid on the can and I was afraid it would come out really shiny and gold. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how this beautiful spray gold paint is going to upcycle and refresh a lot of items that I want to refresh and reuse for the Christmas season this year. In my theme this year, I'm going to add a lot of gold to my home.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Look at this beautiful reindeer sleigh. This one right here is almost $219 and it's absolutely gorgeous, and you can get it in gold or silver, but I'm going to go with gold and I'm going to show you how I'm going to create one that is very similar and only paid $9.99 for mine. I got this at Goodwill back in the summertime and I'm so glad I went on and picked it up. And now I'm going to switch over and show y'all the Rust-Oleum metallic gold and how beautiful it is. I'm just going to spray over it, give it a couple of layers, and this reindeer sleigh is ready to be decorated for the Christmas season.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
Now I'm going to show you how we can create a beautiful gold tray without spending a lot of money. I priced this one out, so gold trays can run up in the money, especially ones with handles. This one was $125, but we can make this and make it a lot less expensive. This is a tray that I've had on hand. I've used it in several projects, so I've already painted it once. These, a lot of times you can find it at the thrift store for just a few dollars. Go over it and give it a couple of layers with that gold spray paint, and I'm going to show you how beautiful this piece is now that we can style some beautiful Christmas decor on through the Christmas season.
Happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Lanterns are a very popular home decor piece, and especially around the holiday season. So I'm going to show y'all a couple of options of how we can make some really budget-friendly lanterns and not have to pay $95 for them. Well, I'm just going to take some random lanterns that I have, and a lot of times I can pick these up at yard sales or thrift stores, and you can get these for a few dollars. Again, get your lanterns out, whatever color they are, get your gold spray paint out, and just go to town, give them a few layers, give them a new life, and look how beautiful these turn out.
Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends.
I thrift Christmas decor all year long, and back during the summer, I found this reindeer at Goodwill, and it was only $2.99. So it has been sitting around waiting for me to incorporate it into my home for Christmas. So that's what we're going to do. And if y'all think you cannot spray paint glitter, think again.
Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
Here's another piece I found at Goodwill, and it was only $1.99. Pieces like this make great statement pieces for your Christmas tree. Christmas balls and baubles, or whatever you call them, they are abundant at the thrift store, and you can pick these up a lot of times at yard sales for nothing. Or you may have some from years past. Get them out, give them a good coat of fresh spray paint, add some embellishment to it and a pretty bow, and look what a gorgeous ornament this makes for my tree. Stocking hangers can get pricey, and especially if you have a large family. I picked these up for $1 and one was $1.50. You can spray paint these any color you want, but I'm going to use that beautiful gold, and look how beautiful these stocking hangers turned out. Do you have random pieces of Christmas decor that is just not your color theme anymore? Well, this is the Sequin deer. I bought him a few years ago and I have enjoyed him blush pink, but that's just not my colors anymore. I was about to put him in the donation box, but if you think you can't spray over sequins, let me tell you, you can.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents.
Do you need some gold lamps for your home decor this Christmas season? Well, I do. Don't go out and buy any. Take some you already have, get that gold spray paint, and voila, you've got some gold lamps, and these are absolutely beautiful.
Go inside, baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday.
Do you need some gold candlestick holders? Well, I have these. I have 3 of these, but I'm going to upcycle these. I've already upcycled them once and did a project with them. Now I'm going to give them a beautiful refresh with this gold spray paint, and wait till you see how these turn out.
The rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday.
What about those rusty, crusty items that we've been using in our home decor? I love the rusty, crusty effect, but I'm kind of getting tired of it, and I'm refreshing my home, and I'm just restyling and giving my home a new theme. So these right here can also be spray painted, and they turn out absolutely beautiful.
And the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your arms that hold.
I hope y'all got some inspiration and ideas on some items that you may have that just need a refresh. Don't be afraid to just pick up a can of spray paint those items, and use them in your home and decorate with them for this Christmas season. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will plan to see y'all again next week in my next Christmas video. Bye, y'all.